Hey everyone, I am Sunita. Welcome to my channel. For my very first video, I am sharing a crystal HDR CC that I have specially designed to give you clips that Alight 4K clarity. If you have been looking for a clean and sharp look for your edits, this tutorial is for you. Now if you really want to master this quality and edit like a pro, I highly recommend watching this video until the end. I will be showing you the exact adjustments that make this CC work perfectly. Let's get started.
Sometimes it feels like I should know how to walk on water. Sometimes it feels like I should know how to move the mountains. But the seasons keep on going, and the rivers keep on flowing, and the wind keeps on blowing, and this beat, it stays in motion, like my lyrics keep on flowing, and this rhythm keeps to myself, we don't gotta tell, no, nobody else about you and I, yeah, you and I. Yeah, you make me feel so free. Yeah, you make me feel like me. Yeah, you make me feel so free. Yeah, you make me feel like me. Make me feel so.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T, yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she, yeah. I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me. You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Baby, don't you like you know your body T. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she? Just wanna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me. What you said to me doesn't even make sense, yeah. I'm telling you, you have to feel the music if you wanna dance. I just wanna take you out and go to Essence, yeah, yeah. The way I feel your body, oh my, got me in a trance. The way you keep on looking at me, do you need a lens? I don't wanna feel like I'm the only one who cares. Baby, do you care? Baby, do you care? You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T, yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she, yeah. I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me.
I hope this first tutorial was helpful. Since I am just starting this journey, your support means the world to me. If you like the quality, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to comment what you would like to learn next. The free XML is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more premium tutorials.